In other news, Lionel Messi has penned an emotional letter to his late father, Jorge Messi. The legendary footballer says that he is unsure how long he'll continue playing without his father. His long-term rival, Cristiano Ronaldo, has also sent his love and support. Messi's father died last week after a long battle with an undisclosed illness. Jorge was the one who introduced Messi to the game and accompanied Lionel to Barcelona in 2000, when he began his footballing journey that ultimately made him the greatest player of his generation. Jorge was also Messi's agent and representative for several years. Lionel Messi has now reacted publicly for the first time after his father's death. In an Instagram post, Messi questioned his ability to carry on playing, and this is what he said. I'm quoting him here. "I don't know what I'm going to do without you. I don't know how to carry on. I only played football, and now I have quite a few doubts about whether I'm going to keep doing it for much longer. You were by my side from the very beginning, and we were so close to the end. Why couldn't you hold on just a little longer so we could finish this together?" Messi guided Argentina to the final of the 2026 World Cup before losing to Spain. Messi has now said that he missed the presence of his father at the World Cup. The Argentina captain claimed that he wanted to win the World Cup again for his father, but admitted that he couldn't physically push through. He said, and I'm quoting him here again, "Every time I finished a match, I would wait for and miss your message. That's when I realized just how bad the situation really was. Even so, I never stopped thinking about going as far as possible so I could give you time and so that you could watch me play a match." Messi's long-term rival, Cristiano Ronaldo, who got married on Tuesday, he had also sent his best wishes to Lionel Messi. The Portugal captain sent Messi and his family hugs and support in this time of grief. He made the comment on Instagram, and the comment itself has garnered more than 1 million likes. It is understood that Messi will be taking an indefinite leave from football, and his club Inter Miami has granted Messi full support and unconditional leave, allowing him to remain in Argentina for as long as he deems necessary.